47. Your destination is Marrakesh, Morocco, where civil riots are looming. Your targets are private banker Klaus Strandberg and Army General Reza Zaidan, two of the conspirators in a sinister plot to overthrow Morocco's fragile government. Strandberg, a former bank CEO who stole billions of dollars worth of savings from the Moroccan people, was facing trial for investment fraud. But early this morning, a band of heavily armed mercenaries freed Strandberg from his prison transport, resulting in the death of several police officers. Strandberg now takes refuge at his native Swedish consulate, in front of which crowds of angry protesters have gathered, demanding his handover to Moroccan authorities. We believe General Zaidan orchestrated Strandberg's escape to infuriate the public and spark nationwide riots, allowing Zaidan to impose martial law. Operating out of a field HQ at a nearby abandoned school, he will no doubt use the riots to depict the Rabat government as weak and inept, and persuade the general staff to support a fully fledged military coup in the name of national security. Our client, building contractor Hamilton Lowe, who stands to lose a fortune in government contracts, has hired us to prevent the coup d'etat. To do so, you need to paralyze Zaidan's rebel forces and prevent the riots from escalating further, hence the double contract. This is quite the political powder keg, 47, so be careful. The fate of a nation is at stake. I will leave you to prepare. Welcome to Marrakesh, 47. The situation grows more tense by the minute. The consulate is under lockdown, but the protests are only a stone throw away from full-blown riots, and Zaidan won't hesitate to unleash his troops. So whatever you're planning, time is of the essence. Good luck, 47.
Hello, you
Oh,
look
hey,
clever.
mister. How's it going?
Salam. What would you like?
Greetings.
Hello. Take a look at my rare lamps. We are almost giving them away. See crystal goddess? That's good to know, thanks. Just looking it up.
Hello, hi, welcome, welcome. Please, what would you like?
Serious. He's at the shisha den right now, laughing his ass off. Oh man. Hammered is a lunatic.
No, he is capitalism. I mean, that's what we all want this day and age, right?
Hello, come in, come in. I can...
How's your father?
Doing well. Thanks for asking. He's upstairs right now working on this novel of his, some kind of political
I
thriller.
am so honored by your visit.
You need to look where you're going.
Hello.
What should we do? If Crystal don't get involved?
Matters of national security, but I just run a shoe shop.
It's out of my hands. Sir, this is a restricted area.
stand up on two hooves.
Huh? Ma'am, we might have a situation. Check the perimeter. Over.
Anyone there? I can assure you, you do not want to mess with me.
Sir, I think that might be yours.
You're in. Good work, 47. Now to locate General Zaydan.
Wait a minute.
So what did he do? Prisoner. Never you mind. General Zaydan says the man's a traitor, and that's all there is to it. Probably got cold feet about the operation. Tried to rat us out. Ask the captain. He'll know. It's so important to protect his wife.
No, sir. Are you here to close? Reza? Thought you had a government.
Hey, man, you don't just go and throw stuff at...
Reza? Thought you had a government to overthrow.
You should always embrace this.
Target down. Move on to Klaus Strand.
Behind us.
Reza? Thought you had a government to overthrow.
You should always embrace the secret measures. You sold us outside.
And I would do it again. Proud.
Sir, you might find this amusing, but I can assure you, drawing attention to yourself is not what you want to be
He
doing.
wasn't supposed to have been at the prison transport. But you know what they say about omelets. And he died for a cause.
To line the pockets of your mysterious backers.
I didn't say it was a good cause.
Right. Well, this was lovely. Now please leave.
That's it. No threats. No, I'll kill you if it's the last thing I do.
Target down. Move on to Klaus Strand.
Hello, Private.
I know.
I gotta be honest with you, that is...
I think you dropped something.
You made it. Most impressive, 47. Now to locate Klaus Strandberg.
Okay, let's see. Here. 6 small.
Private?
I know.
I gotta be honest with you, that is the...
State of the nation, man.
You made it. Most impressive, 47. Now to locate Klaus Strandberg.
We might have a situation. Okay. Command, false alarm.
So, you clear on the emergency procedure?
In case of a security breach, I hit the manual alarm button, which triggers the evacuation protocol. It's pretty straightforward, sir.
Okay, Ace. If you're not worried, I'm not worried.
Connie Engstrom. Please go to the reception desk.
Hey. Yeah, I've got a minor disturbance. We'll investigate. Out. Yeah, sure, of course. I just don't see the need for all the secrecy.
And you don't have to. Orders are orders. Look, trust me, you don't want us in the building. We don't exactly inspire us. I can't have your
Hey, my AC is busted. You need to fix it.
Massage expert Connie Armstrong reported at the reception desk. That was Connie Armstrong. Please go to the reception desk.
The house masseur, is he around? We have an appointment.
Don't know, sir. Ask the front desk.
Why are you sneaking around like that? What the hell's wrong with you?
Huh.
Keep the cogs turning and well oiled, you know?
Would be here by now.
Weird.
You! Huh?
Both targets down. Now head towards an exit.
Hey, it's me. I just heard something suspicious. God, this keeps happening again and again today.
We demand justice. Yes, of course you do. Remind me to send you all pictures from us. Grand viewing pleasure.
Sorry,
Morons.
You gotta stay out of view until the Strandberg thing closes over.
Matthias.
Massage expert
Lot
Connie
96.
Engstrom.
Excellent.
Report at the reception desk.
Did anyone follow?
That was Connie Engstrom. Please
Good.
go to the reception desk.
You got all the
Good day to
paintings
you,
from the
sir.
safe room? The Rembrandt and the Pollock?
Say what?
It's been since anyone so much as mentioned me.
Welcome.
Croy. I know you always liked it. Nonsense. A small token of my appreciation. Just don't show it to anyone. It's supposed to be hanging at the Skagen Museum. Me? It's best if you don't know. Let's just say you won't have to cry for me. So long, Matthias. I see Kingsley's still a no-show. Well, I'll take a stroll around the building.
Stay right here. I'll be back in a minute.
Exactly what you think I'm insane? Of course I'm gonna
Harry and the team should have arrived.
Both targets down. Now head towards an exit.
There's never enough maintenance, right?
Nice day for it, isn't it?
Well, hey, mister. How's it going?
compromised. But I don't understand. There is no sign of forced entry, no alarms, nothing.
One of my people has gone missing in Johannesburg. A key bearer.
I wish I'd been informed. Still, the system demands 2 keys, and the rest are all accounted for.
Except for your late predecessors.
Cobb? But his plane went down over the Pacific. It was an accident.
Such was the conclusion at the time. Yes. People die, Mr. Fannin. Happens all the time, even to us. It seems like a conspiracy. Probably isn't. And yet, the failed coup in Morocco, the ether virus. Someone knows about us. There was a pattern and I failed to see it. Providence is under attack.
How much was there?
Money? Not money, Mr. Fannin. Information on all of our assets and operatives. Like you. Dig a trench, Director. And make it a deep one. Because none of you are safe anymore.